Hey loves, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm creating this full face makeup look inspired by the Smoke & Mirrors Velvet Matte Lip Gloss in Deadly Rose. I am using the Kiss New York Top Brow Eyebrow Pencil in dark brown. I am cleaning up the shape of my brow with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Shader, I am highlighting my brow bone with the Amuse Single Shadow in Creme. I am applying Sugar Pill's Love Plus Shadow in and above the crease of my eye using my Start Mini Blending Brush. I am applying the InStudio Cosmetics eyeshadow in Poison to the outer and inner thirds of my lid using my Remy Rose eyeshadow brush. Using my Basic Beauty eyeshadow brush, I am applying the shade Galactic from the BH Cosmetics Solar Flare palette to the remainder of my lid. I am using the Wet n Wild MegaGlo Highlighting Platinum Bar in Winter Bloom to highlight my brow bone using my ColorMates eyeshadow brush. I am blending Winter Bloom into Love Plus using the LA Colors Pro Shadow Blender. Now I am using my favorite liquid liner, which is the Nicka Microfine Artliner. I am also using my favorite mascara, which is Fat Lash by AOA Studio. I am trying out a new pair of lashes. These are by the brand Lovet. They are the luxury 3D eyelashes in the style 365. I'm applying the shade Poison to my lower lash line using the Ruby Kisses C-Curve eyeshadow brush. I am lining my waterline with the Colourpop BFF Cream Gel Liner in Venus. Going back to the Solar Flare palette, I am taking the shade Burst on my Basic Beauty small eyeshadow brush and highlighting the inner corner of my eye. And here's my completed Deadly Rose eyeshadow look. Before applying my lipstick, I am going to moisturize my lips with this super cute Pumpkin Spice Latte Lip Balm from Taste Beauty. And here's the star of today's video. It is the Smoke & Mirrors Velvet Matte Lip Gloss in the shade Deadly Rose. This lipstick has amazing pigment, a lightweight formula, and a sweet candy scent. This is the completed makeup look. I love how everything came together, and I really like the Velvet Matte lipstick. I had a lot of fun creating this themed makeup look. Tell me what you thought down below in a comment. All of the products that I used will be listed in the description, and until next time, bye loves!